Welcome to Understand All. I'm your host, Aslekeir Gairleif, and today we're embarking on a captivating journey into the world of cryogenics. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the coolest science around. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is cryogenics? Well, it's the study of extremely low temperatures and how materials behave under these conditions. And when I say low, I mean really low. We're talking temperatures below minus 150 degrees Celsius. That's colder than the coldest natural temperature ever recorded on Earth, which was a bone-chilling minus 128.6 degrees Celsius in Antarctica, according to the World Meteorological Organization. But cryogenics isn't just about setting temperature records. It's a fascinating field with mind-blowing applications. Take superconductivity, for instance. At cryogenic temperatures, some materials lose all electrical resistance, allowing current to flow freely without any energy loss. This phenomenon powers the magnets in MRI machines and particle accelerators like the Large Hadron Collider at CERN. Just imagine, the same science that helps doctors diagnose diseases is also unraveling the mysteries of the universe. And speaking of space, did you know that cryogenics plays a crucial role in space exploration? Liquid hydrogen and oxygen, both cryogenic fluids, are used as rocket propellants. In fact, NASA's space shuttle used over 1.6 million liters of liquid hydrogen per launch, according to NASA's official website. That's enough to fill over 600 Olympic-sized swimming pools. So, the next time you watch a rocket blasting off into space, remember that cryogenics is powering that incredible journey. But cryogenics isn't just about big, flashy applications. It's also making a difference in our everyday lives. Ever wondered how your favorite ice cream stays creamy and delicious? That's right, cryogenics. Liquid nitrogen is used in food processing to flash freeze products, locking in flavor and texture. And in medicine, cryosurgery uses extreme cold to destroy abnormal tissues, like cancerous tumors, with minimal damage to surrounding healthy cells. It's incredible to think that something as simple as cold can have such a profound impact on our health and well-being. Now, let's talk about one of the most mind-bending applications of cryogenics: cryopreservation. This involves preserving cells, tissues, and even whole organisms at ultra-low temperatures, with the hope of reviving them in the future. It's like hitting the pause button on life itself. Cryopreservation is already used to store embryos, sperm, and stem cells for medical purposes. But some visionaries believe it could one day be used to preserve entire human bodies, in a process called cryonics. Cryonics is a controversial and speculative field that involves freezing a person's body after death, with the hope of reviving them when medical technology advances enough to cure whatever killed them. Now, before you start making plans for your own cryonic preservation, it's important to note that the scientific community is highly skeptical about the feasibility of this idea. As of now, no one has ever been successfully revived from cryonic preservation, and there are massive technical and ethical challenges to overcome. But while cryonics may be a long shot, the underlying science of cryobiology is very real and very promising. Researchers are making incredible strides in understanding how cells and tissues respond to extreme cold, and how we can use this knowledge to push the boundaries of medicine. For example, a recent study published in the journal Nature found that a new cryopreservation technique could keep human livers viable for up to 27 hours, a huge improvement over the current standard of 12 hours. This could revolutionize organ transplantation, making more organs available to patients in need. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, pun very much intended. The future of cryogenics is filled with exciting possibilities, from quantum computers that operate at near absolute zero to new materials that could revolutionize energy storage and transportation. But as with any powerful technology, there are also risks and challenges to consider. Handling cryogenic substances requires extensive safety precautions, and there are still many unknowns about the long-term effects of cryopreservation on living systems. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with cryogenics, it's important that we do so responsibly and ethically. We must weigh the potential benefits against the risks, and ensure that our pursuit of knowledge and innovation doesn't come at the cost of safety or moral integrity. But if we can navigate these challenges with wisdom and care, the possibilities are truly incredible. Imagine a world where organ shortages are a thing of the past, where we can store renewable energy indefinitely, and where we can explore the farthest reaches of space without worrying about our fuel running out. That's the promise of cryogenics, a world where the impossible becomes possible, where the limits of biology and physics are shattered by the power of human ingenuity. So the next time you see a liquid nitrogen cloud billowing out of a science lab or hear about a new breakthrough in cryobiology, remember that you're witnessing the future unfolding before your eyes. Cryogenics may seem like a niche field, but its impact on our world is anything but small. From the food we eat to the medicines we take to the technologies that shape our lives, cryogenics is quietly revolutionizing everything it touches. And that, my friends, is the coolest thing of all. So, what can you do to be a part of this incredible journey? Well, first and foremost, stay curious. Keep learning about the amazing science and technology that's shaping our world, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to learn, there's always more to discover in the world of cryogenics and beyond. And if you're feeling inspired to take action, consider supporting the scientists and innovators who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether it's donating to research organizations, advocating for science-based policies, or simply spreading the word about the incredible work being done in labs and universities around the world, every little bit helps. Because at the end of the day, cryogenics isn't just about the science. It's about the people. The researchers, the engineers, the visionaries who dare to ask the big questions and pursue the impossible dreams. And it's about people like you who have the power to shape the future with your curiosity, your passion, and your unwavering belief in the power of human potential. So let's keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Because with cryogenics on our side, there's no telling how far we can go. And that, my friends, is the story of cryogenics, the coolest science you've never heard of. Until next time, this is Aslekeir Gairleif, signing off from Understand All. Stay curious, stay cool, and never stop learning.